माँ से बढ़कर कुछ नहीं, क्या पैसा क्या नाम, चरण छुए और हो गए तीरथ चारों धाम। Our LB family feels great pleasure and honor in wishing all the grandmothers and mothers of our beloved students a very happy Mother's Day. Our respected founder manager, sir, acknowledges the role of grandmothers and the mothers as the most important one in molding the personality of a child. Our school family thinks that they deserve tremendous respect and appreciation because they nurture and prepare gems for the society by providing children strength, confidence, unending dedication, and selfless love. We salute the godly figures on the earth, our dear grandmothers and mothers, and thank them for all their support and invaluable cooperation to school in providing children good values and preparing them to be good human beings. On this auspicious occasion, we wish all our dear mothers health, happiness, smiles, and all the blessings a life can shower.
उसके रहते जीवन में कोई गम नहीं होता, दुनिया साथ दे ना दे पर माँ का प्यार कभी कम नहीं होता. A very good morning to one and all. Today, I, Apurva Singh, School Vice Captain, on the auspicious occasions of Mother Day, wishing all the mothers a very happy Mother's Day. Sure, no words can describe our gratitude or thanks for our mother. She is the most precious gift to us from Almighty. She is the person who is with us in all the difficult times of our lives. A mother is the only person on this earth who dedicates her whole life for children. She only gives and never wishes for anything back. The love and care can't be compared to anything in this world. घुटनों से रेंगते रेंगते कब पैरों पर खड़ा हुआ, तेरी ममता की छाँव में जाने कब मैं बड़ा हुआ. मैं ही सबसे अच्छा हूँ, कितना भी हो जाऊँ बड़ा, माँ मैं आज भी तेरा बच्चा हूँ, माँ मैं आज भी तेरा बच्चा हूँ. मानती हूँ कि दुनिया का कोई रिश्ता छोटा या बड़ा नहीं होता, पर मेरी माँ के बराबर कोई और खड़ा नहीं होता. मेरे इंतज़ार में खुली आँखों से बस वही सो सकती है, मेरे दुख में मुझसे ज़्यादा वही रो सकती है. माथा चूम के मुकद्दर बदलने का जादू उसी को आता है, और उसी का हाथ है जो थर्मोमीटर से ज़्यादा करेक्ट टेम्परेचर बताता है. तमाम किताबें पढ़ डाली मैंने, पर पहले पन्ने पर माँ का ही नाम आता है. हिसाब के देख लो, दुनिया के हर रिश्ते में कुछ अधूरा आधा निकलेगा, एक माँ का ही प्यार है जो दूसरों से 9 महीने ज़्यादा निकलेगा, एक माँ का ही प्यार है जो दूसरों से 9 महीने ज़्यादा निकलेगा. Thank you and a very happy Mother's Day to all the mothers.
Good morning, respected Director Ma'am, Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. A very happy Mother's Day to all the amazing and phenomenally great mothers out there. The meaning of being a mother is virtually endless. A mother is a protector, disciplinarian, and a friend. A mother is selfless, loving human who sacrifices many of their wants and needs for the wants and needs of their children. A mother works hard to make sure their child is equipped with the knowledge, skills, and abilities to make it as a competent human being. Being a mother is perhaps the hardest and most reward deserving job a woman will ever experience. So, do we ever recognize her never ending efforts towards us? If not, then let's do it today, together, and every day. Let's not only wish her by putting her pictures on our social media platforms, but literally thank her for every effort and sacrifice she has been making. Let's not forget to cherish every moment we had with her. During this pandemic, when our mothers are taking care of everyone in every manner, we should indubitably not forget to take utmost care of her, because mother can take everyone's place, but nobody in the world can take her place. Not only today, but we as children should be grateful to them every day for everything and give her all the affection and make her proud of ourselves and her sacraments towards us. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
Very good morning to Honorable Director Ma'am, Principal Ma'am and respected teachers. Today I, Divyanshi Gupta, Vice Captain of Vivekanand House, I would like to wish you all a very happy Mother's Day. You are the ones who bear all the pain and face all the difficulties just to make us happy and comfortable. You have been our teachers as well as our mothers from our very childhood, providing us with the best education so we can come up as a responsible citizen for tomorrow. All that we are or ever hope to be, we owe to you because you have been a constant mothers through all these times. I'd like to express my very gratitude to the mothers who work harder and harder every day for their children. It doesn't matter how old you are or what you do in your life, you never stop needing your mom, and that's true. पूरी जहाँ हर मन्नत होती है, माँ के पैरों में तो ही वो जन्नत होती है. Thank you to you all for making what we are today and for making what we will be tomorrow. Thank you.
Dear children, it is important to recognize and appreciate mothers for all that she does for you. Do not let her love and sacrifice go unnoticed. And not just on one particular day of Mother's Day, but every day of the year. प्यारे बच्चों, माँ का सम्मान कीजिए, उसकी शिक्षाओं व सीख का पालन कीजिए और जीवन में अच्छे कार्यों, अपनी उपलब्धियों व सफलताओं से उनका गर्व बनिए. यही माँओं के लिए सबसे बड़ा उपहार है.